Okay, let's look at the odd problems for 4.2 and see how we did. Number 1, it says that a number added to 27, so that means it's 27 plus x because it's added to it, gives a negative 14, gives another clue word that's an equal sign to negative 14. So in this case, x equals a negative 41. And check your work to verify that you did that correctly. Number 3, the difference of a number in 72 is 12. Well, difference means subtraction, so we have x minus 72 equals 12. And so that means x equals 84. Number 5, when Laura is 6 times as old as she is now, she will be 84. How old is she? Well, 6 times now, or 6x, equals 84. She must be 14. So x equals 14. Number 7, Donna canned 24 quarts of beans, which was 4 times as many as Ann canned. How many quarts did Ann can total? Well, 4 times as many, 4x equals 24, so x equals 6. Number 9, a train going 80 miles per hour moves 10 times as fast as I move on my bicycle. How fast can I ride my bicycle? Well, 10 times as fast on a bicycle or a train as over the bicycle, so it's 10x equals 80, x equals 8. Here's a good one where you apply logic. If the train's going 80 miles an hour, it's very unrealistic that the bicycle's going anything over 30, unless you can ride faster than most people. But logic applied to some of these answers to make sure it seems logical. Number 11, I can buy a candy bar for 65 cents, which is 13 times the amount I pay for a piece of hard candy. What is the price of the piece of candy? Well, x is the cost of one piece of hard candy. If it's 13 cents a piece and a total of 65, then I can pay as much as 5 cents a piece for those. Number 13, one number is 4 times a number, so it's x plus 4x equals 155, or x equals 31. Number 15, the difference of a number and a negative 9 is 74. So x, the difference of a negative 9, equals a negative 74. And x equals a negative 83. 17, Jeannie paid 48 cents in sales tax for a doll for her sister. If the tax rate is 6%, well, you have the cost of the doll is x, sales tax is 6%, so you convert that to decimal, and total sales tax paid is 48 cents. And you find out that the doll was $8. Again, applying logic to your answer, 6% times 8 is 48 cents. If you did the bonus, number 19, write a word problem for the equation 0.05x equals 230 and solve it. Okay, you can have several different solutions here. I could say this is just like number 17. So if I am paying 5% sales tax for an item and I pay a total of $2.30 in tax, what is my purchase price? And you can have multiple answers here. Only one solution, it's $46, but you can have it worded multiple ways. 21, a triangle lot has a perimeter of 520. Here, draw a picture. I have a perimeter that equals 590. We know that we add up all 3 sides, but it says that the road frontage is twice as long as one side. Well, we'll make that 2s. We'll make that s. And 50 feet shorter than the third side. So this one's a little bit more complicated, but 50 foot shorter than the third side. So I have to know which one is the third side. So we're going to say this one's s minus 50. Okay, so you could add an equation like x plus 2x, well, we used s. We'll change that to x to make it simple. X plus 2x plus 2x plus 50 equals 590. And here you get x equals 108. So the third side of the triangle is 50 feet shorter. I have a plus there. So x equals 108. Wow, if you got that, you really deserved. So one of them's 108 foot. The other one's 2 times it. That's 216. And the other one would be 266. That's why it's the level 3 problem. It's a little more difficult. All right, if you did well on that, move on and try the evens.